What's up everybody, we are the Roadshow Masters and welcome to our channel. Remember, if you've not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the notification bell to receive much of our content. Hi mama.
Hi.
Unaitwa nani na wewe ni nani kwa Roadshow Masters?
Majina naitwa Eunice Jambi. I work for and with Roadshow Masters, powered by Alphonse as a project manager. Yes.
So why did you decide to prepare it today and not on Saturday, literally on Saturday? Because actually guys, we have a show, an event that will be happening on Saturday, dance competition, but naona wameanza kuprepare event saizi. Nashanga mbona wameanza kuprepare saizi? Why not prepare it on Saturday? Mbona uprepare leo?
Tunapenda kuprepare leo kwa sababu we are always before time. Tunapenda kufanya vitu before ile time tumepewa. So at least we have 48 hours to prepare, to set up, at least to change anything that tunaweza ona ikiwa na shida. Of course haitakuwa na shida, but ni poa tutatest kila kitu leo na kesho ndio sato ikuwe a successful event.
And how is it for you to manage this team?
Ni rahisi kwa sababu hakuna boss. We lead, we just show direction. Kila mtu hapa ni wa kujituma. They are self motivated and they are quick learners. So tukisema tunafanya kitu hivi kulingana ile brief tuko nayo inafanyika hivyo. We deal with equipment hire. Kila kitu kitaka ya road shows, tuko na magari, tuko na LED screens, tuko na sound. So that's what we do. We've mastered the trade of roadshow masters. Road shows and you are the masters.